Hello, my dear students. I Rahul Mishra, and today we are going to discuss numerical based on empirical formulas and the calculation of molecular formula also. It means आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस की जिसमें हमें कैलकुलेट करना है किसी भी कंपाउंड के एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला को. एंड लिसन, we have to calculate molecular formula also with empirical formula. When the percentage of the elements in the compound are given, it means जब हमें क्वेश्चन में कंपाउंड में प्रेजेंट एलिमेंट्स की परसेंटेज दी होगी तब हमें कैलकुलेट करना है किसी भी कंपाउंड के एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला को. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in an organic compound percentage of C, H and O are 70.54, 5.87, 23.32, and listen, respectively. Calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula of the following compound. It means हमें किसी कंपाउंड का एम्पेरिकल फार्मूला और मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला निकालना है जिसमें कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन की परसेंटेज दी गई है 70.54%, 5.8% एंड 23.32%. एंड मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज आल्सो गिवन and it is 136. Now listen, first we draw a table and this table contain 6 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This table contain 6 column. In first column element is taken, in second percentage, third atomic mass, fourth percentage upon atomic mass, fifth relative number and sixth simple ratio are taken. Now elements are given which are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and their percentage are also given. We all know that atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16. Now we calculate percentage upon atomic mass and it is 5.88 for carbon, 5.88 for hydrogen and 1.47 for oxygen. Now we calculate relative number. So relative number is calculated by dividing the percentage upon atomic mass with the smallest percentage upon atomic mass. It means उस एलिमेंट की परसेंटेज अपॉन एटॉमिक मास को हम स्मॉलेस्ट परसेंटेज अपॉन एटॉमिक मास से डिवाइड करते हैं. जैसे 5.88 कार्बन का परसेंटेज अपॉन एटॉमिक मास आया था और इन तीनों में स्मॉलेस्ट परसेंटेज अपॉन एटॉमिक मास क्या है, 1.47. तो हमारे रिलेटिव नंबर निकल आएगा 4. नाउ फॉर हाइड्रोजन रिलेटिव नंबर इज आल्सो 4 एंड फॉर ऑक्सीजन relative number is 1. So simple ratio will be 4 4 1. 4 4 1. It means carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio of 4:4:1. So empirical formula will become C4H4O1. C4H4O1. Now we calculate empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass means वो मास जिसमें एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला के एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास का सम हो. इट मीन्स वी कैन से द सम ऑफ द एटॉमिक mass of the elements, atomic mass of the all the elements present in the empirical formula. So in this case there is hydrogen, so listen, the empirical formula mass will be 4 into mass of atomic mass of carbon plus 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So here we can say 4 into atomic mass of carbon, 4 into atomic mass of hydrogen. So write down here, this is capital H, it means atomic mass of hydrogen. Here it is missing. Now next, plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen. So we all know that atomic mass of carbon is 12, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So on calculating we will get 68, and it is empirical formula mass. So now molecular mass is given into your question and it is 136. Now we have to calculate molecular formula. So for molecular formula calculation, we all know that there is a formula, molecular formula equal to empirical formula का whole of n. And what is n? So n is the ratio of molecular mass. N is the ratio of molecular mass to the empirical formula mass. So molecular mass is given into your question and it is 136, and empirical formula mass you have to calculate it and it is 68. So 136 upon 68, it will become 2. So n will be equal to 2. So molecular formula will be empirical formula का whole of n, and our empirical formula is C4H4O1. So whole of n, n means 2, so whole of 2, and it will become 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, and 2 1 ja 2. So its molecular formula will become C8H8O2. So molecular formula of the given compound will be C8H8O2. So this will be your molecular formula of the given compound. Now you have to do some homework and listen. There are 2 questions for your homework. So first question is, composition of an organic compound by mass is given below. This, and this. Now if molecular mass is given, then determine the molecular formula. Now these 2 questions are of your homework and I will give the solution for these 2 questions, and then you will be tally from the solution of your homework 3.